only if it's limited. If you don't have no nice ass that you can go touch over here, if you don't have a six pack over there, that's the only time it actually matters that much. If you have abundance, if all the options, all the fantasies, whatever it is that you're looking for is satisfied, there's the opportunity to love that feminine flower for that feminine flower, because she knows hustle and business, because she can braid your hair, because she whatever, because she gives a massage like nobody else. But it really doesn't matter. But the context inside of abundance is as much of that feminine as you like. And what each and every feminine, no matter the dynamic, is going to flourish inside of is when there is no regard for judgment and rejection. Here's the flip side, right? I want you to imagine feminine goes through life conditioned on what they can or cannot do. They're raised by that. Old patriarchal conversations, antiquated thoughts and beliefs. Good girls don't suck dick. Black women can't do this. All those white girls out there can live like that. Oh, well, if she wears something with too much cleavage, she's asking for it. She's a slut. She's slut shamed and all that. She could be ready to suck your dick the first date, but she has to make sure you don't think she's that type of girl so that you actually stick around. This is what they're navigating. That's the pressure that's put upon feminine. So yes, there's a difference in this is what I'm attracted to. I'm into a lifestyle of fitness and I have those options elsewhere, so I can go get it because I want it. And then from there, you can compliment, oh, I see you eating right, slimming down, look at her. And feminine gets encouraged, oh, I get that type of attention. She's gonna go and do more of it. That's the deeper world of that judgment and rejection. Whatever has it that, oh, shouldn't she show up in that way, is the same stifled lack of abundance. When there's more than enough, you wouldn't care. It wouldn't be that critical. When it's the only, because every time you see what you like walking around, it's a wish, it's a wonder.